Folks, this is Jerry Colonna here, and I'm really excited about coming back to Slovenia, one of my favorite countries of all time. As many of you know, I've already invested in a number of companies over the last 20, 25 years, and for the last 8 years I have been coaching entrepreneurs and leaders, really trying to help them become the best possible leader they can be. I'm so looking forward to seeing you all again on 14th of January in Ljubljana. And this is really an opportunity for us to dive in deep, to really explore what works, what doesn't work in an entrepreneurial setting with your peers, with your friends, so that we can all work together to make these entrepreneurial endeavors that much more successful, that much more fulfilling. So see you all in January. Looking forward. Take care.